Today we're making a custom order of a shorter version of tiger earrings. So I made the first one. We'll need to finish it to cut the threads and to attach the earring hook. I'll need my pliers. And do this. Okay. And now we'll make the second earring together. We'll need a pattern which you can get from nymoD.com. So here is the label chart for the top part and for the bottom. And I've changed the word chart a little bit to accommodate the changes to make it 10 beads shorter than the original. Okay, so we'll need Toho beads for this, sterling silver earring hooks, wire protectors, Nymo D thread. I got one piece here. Now a long thin needle, beading needle, a beading mat, which is optional, but it's nice to have it. And you'll get all the needed supplies in the beading kit, which is available in the description. Or you can just get a PDF pattern and buy everything for yourself, or maybe you have all the supplies already and you just need a PDF. So we're starting with the top part. It's here, row 1 goes this way, row 2 goes this way, and so on. So we start with B, 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 and A. Then we go A, B, B, A lot of A's, then B, A, B, and B, B. Now I'll show you everything more closely. Okay. B, 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 A. So we take 4 beads, place them somewhere around the middle of the thread. We'll use this long end later for fringe. Now I'm pulling the needle through the first 2 beads. Through the next 2 beads. You can repeat this one more time, but I prefer to do it just once. And move further. We take 2 next beads according to the pattern. And of course I know it's easy to take a screenshot or just to pause and do the same. So basically to steal the pattern, but we all know that's not the right thing to do. So please, if you want to make these earrings, first buy the pattern or a beading kit with a pattern, and then you're free to use it and to sell the earrings you make or leave them to yourself. Now we take yes, here it is. So here we get the first row with a brick stitch. It's right here. And now we're going in the opposite direction here. We again take 4 beads according to the pattern. We pull the needle through the thread between these beads. Now we pull the thread through these 2 beads up. Make it tighter, then go backwards here. And again up. Right, now we take 2 beads. Pull the needle through the thread behind the thread. Okay. And pull the needle back up. Tighten up. Again, take 2 beads. And that's what we do with each row and with all other beads. Each row starts with 4 beads, and then we take 2 and go this way, then this way, and so on. So let's fast forward a bit. Okay, so the top part is mostly done. Now we'll need to attach a wire protector, or if you don't have one, you can use a bead loop. Just take 4 beads, or 6 if you prefer, and attach them this way. Just secure a few times, like you're sewing a button. I think one more. Okay, now I pull the needle through this edge. Maybe not all at a time, we'll need a few attempts. Here it is. So now we have two long threads, this one from the left side and this one from the right side. And that's why in all my patterns where I use red threads, see, I have it from right to left. So this one goes 1A, 9C, this one is C, 4A, 17C, 3A, and as these earrings will be shorter than the original, it's 1C. The original is 11C. Now we leave one bead behind and we pull the needle through all other beads in a fringe. Again, we might need a few attempts. And we also pull the needle through the base, through two beads from the brick stitch part. Get flat, make it nice. Now we go back through these two beads. Then we add the second fringe and so on. When our thread is too short, we secure it somewhere in the brick stitch part, and then we use this thread to go from left to right and meet somewhere in between, and again secure the thread, and we'll get these beautiful earrings. Okay, let's fast forward a little bit to show you how it looks like.